we have made our way back home to beautiful Colorado. It's been a really difficult few months away from here, but we have learned a lot about ourselves as individuals and as well as a family. We've learned that our bond is stronger than we could have imagined. We are so happy to be back in the land that brings us so much peace and happiness, to feel safe under the trees, surrounded by nature. The mountain has this magical presence that we just soak up as individuals and as a family. We feel free and we feel whole and lifted up when we're here. We've realized that the mountain has this magnetic pull. It's like she chooses you, you don't choose her. And it's almost hard to put into words. It's hard for me to really convey, but we've just realized that we cannot live apart from the mountains of Colorado, that we are mountain people. We live to be out in nature, and it's what brings us fulfillment. So thank you to everyone that has held us up in your thoughts and prayers as we've made our way home.